afternoon. Several of you mentioned to us that you would like to have another engagement chart. So we made one for second quarter with all the dates already here for you. And I want to show you how you can go in and you can actually pull up your students' IDs and their last names and just paste them in here. What you'll need to do is to go into your OLS and you want to go to Total View School. Once you hit Total View School, then you want to come over here and go to Classrooms. Put your name here. Click Homeroom. Click Search. And first grade is sharing their homerooms. They can make contacts with other teachers, students while they're testing. So that's why you're seeing all of these here. So if that happens to you, just click on your homeroom. Then when you click on your homeroom, you're going to click right here to Students. And you notice Amber up here. Thank you, Amber, for using the program you have, and she was able to blur out all these names and send me over some pictures. So that's why from this point on you're going to see some that she took a snapshot of and blurred out the names for me. So once here you're going to click Students, and once you're at Students it will look just like this. And then the next thing you want to do is click right here where it says All, so that it will select all of your students. Once you've done that, click right here where it says Report Card Export, and then you're going to end up with a chart that looks like this. And all you're going to need to do is to copy your student ID numbers and paste that into the chart, and your student's last name and put that into the chart. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.